that. And in this, what I find so beautiful about it is the song is about...
Sorry.
The song eventually will be about... It's about how even the song can't fully describe it. Can't describe why. The song is about a woman who's in love with someone and she doesn't know why. She can't quite express it. And I think in a lot of ways this song also it expresses what I think my wife thinks of me. So remember that as I sing this song, and you'll know what I'm talking about.
Here goes nothing.
I used to dream that I would discover the perfect lover someday. I knew I'd recognize him if ever he came round my way. I always used to fancy then he'd be one of the godlike kind of men, with a giant brain and a noble head, like the heroes bold in the books I've read. But along came Bill, who's not that type at all. You meet him on the street and never notice him. His form and face, his manly grace are not the kind that you would find in a statue, and I can't explain. It's surely not his...
Every time.
It's surely not his brain, and that makes me thrill. I love him because he's wonderful, because he's just my Bill. He can't play golf or tennis or polo or sing a solo or row. He isn't half as handsome as dozens of men that I know. He isn't tall and straight or slim, and he dresses far worse than Ted or Jim. And I can't explain why he should be just the one man in the world for me. He's just my Bill, an ordinary guy. He hasn't got a thing that I can brag about, and yet to be upon his knee, so comfy and roomy, seems natural to me, and I can't explain. It's surely not his brain that makes me thrill. I love him because he's... I don't know.
Really?
Because he's just my